What's cooking, foodies? On this episode of Cakes on the Griddle, we are making frittatas, also known as the crustless quiche. These are great for breakfast or brunches. So let's get started.
1/3 cup sliced mushrooms, 1.5 cup spinach, 1/3 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1 cup egg whites, pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, feta cheese, and cooking oil spray. In a 10-inch pan on medium heat, saute your mushrooms for 3 to 5 minutes in cooking spray. Then saute your tomatoes for 1 to 2 minutes, add your spinach and cook down until wilted, about 2 minutes. Pour in your egg whites, add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper to taste. Cover with a lid and allow to cook for 7 to 8 minutes. You will know when it is done when the eggs are no longer translucent and the egg whites are firm. And the best thing about this dish is that you really can make it your own. You can add all different kinds of meats, veggies, cheeses, and you can also add egg yolks to the egg whites. Lastly, you're going to sprinkle with some feta cheese, which is my favorite. Feta is salty and a little bit tangy, which goes perfectly with this dish. For more videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.